Do you want to make the Instagram highlight name blank? You can create a blank title on an Instagram highlight with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To make your Instagram highlight name blank, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your profile screen. Tap and hold the highlight whose name you want to make blank. A pop-up menu will open with different options. From the pop-up options, tap Edit Highlight. Now, tap on the name field and delete the existing text. Next, copy the blank space given in the description box and paste it into the name field. After pasting the blank space, tap Done at the top right of the screen. Your Instagram highlight name will now appear invisible on your profile. You can repeat these steps for any other highlights you want to keep nameless.